value calculator and find the intrinsic value of Intel using the grams formula revised. We plug in the earnings per share of Intel and the 5-year growth estimate, which is at negative 25%, to get an intrinsic value of $26.49, which is 5% lower to the current trading price. Now let's look at the discount cash flow model. Here I plug in the free cash flow of the last 10 years and calculate the average growth rate of 6.53%. I then combine that with the analyst growth rate projections of negative 25% to get a growth rate of 0.62%. I then use this growth rate to calculate the future free cash flow over the next 10 years, and I calculate the present value of this future free cash flow using the discount rate, which is at 8%. I then summed up this future free cash flow and added any cash and cash equivalents and subtracted any debt to get an equity value of $148 billion. I divided that by the shares outstanding and got an intrinsic value of $35.92. Let's have a look at the next valuation model, which is the multiples valuation model. This model is based on comparing companies that are structured in a similar way to Intel Corporation. For this valuation, I chose these 3 companies which operate in a similar tech niche as Intel. I took their stock prices and divided by their earnings per share to get their PE ratios. I then averaged out these PE ratios to get a PE ratio of 17 and 0.3. I multiplied this by the earnings per share of Intel and got an intrinsic value of $34.06, which is higher than the current trading price. Let's move to our final valuation, which is the dividend discount valuation. I plugged in the dividend payout over the last 5 years and calculated the average growth rate of 1.17%. I then used that to calculate the next year's dividend of 1.21. Now, taking account that these 2 values aren't purely based on the calculations down through these tables displayed above,